Hello friends, in this video we will do the unboxing of a floral night suit. I purchased it from amazon.in and I purchased it for 849 rupees. So let's open the box and see the content. So this is the night suit and the company is Fashigo. And this is a ladies night suit. So you can see MRP is written nearly 2000, but it's available for 849 rupees. So now let's open the box. The material is very soft, it's cotton material, and the color is kind of brownish, and we have floral patterns on it, and it's a two-piece. So we have one top, as you can see, and so this is the top, and this is the bottom. So it's a simple two-piece night suit. So I will leave the link of the production in the description of the video. So if you like it, you can go ahead and purchase it. The material really looks comfortable. So thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson.